Hi, this is Keith Bean from Bean Chevrolet Buick GMC in Carleton Place, and we're celebrating our 10th anniversary. We're so proud to be able to say we've sold 7,500 retail vehicles. It's all thanks to our customers and our employees.
10 years ago, we were the underdog, but now we're the hub.
#1 in trucks, #1 in EVs, and all our inventories are the biggest. And exciting for 2025, box factory lifted trucks.
We are constantly innovating. Our new 20,000 square foot truck center is fully operational, which means we can service more customers and more fleets.
Innovations like BeanParts.ca that you look up a part, hit a button, and we deliver it for free the next day.
And being a leader in EVs, our people are ready to help explain all the positives and negatives so you know if they will work for you.
We're so proud to be 10. We're so proud of our people, and we're so proud of our great customers.
The Ottawa Valley's friendliest dealership, conveniently located in Carleton Place or online at BeanParts.ca.